DJM TV.
For we news, Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry sorry out waka go give im Delta State governor brother. Country people, una welcome to DJM TV news. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan knack una the ogbonge tori as e just dey happen now. The governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, don do sorry out waka go give im brother governor for Delta State when im name be Dr. Pidgin Okowa. Sake of say im papa when e just waka go their kingdom come now for some days wey never too tey. Governor Obaseki come tell the Delta State governor say make e sorry o, say as im just hear the news the thing shock him no be small. Sake of say papa of the governor no suppose waka go their kingdom come at this particular time. Because anyway, the governor papa e try o, sake of say the number of years when he fit still spend, and e come say if you look am well, the governor papa when im name be Mr. Okowa, say e really try well sake of say e born children and e train them sotey they come be big people for we country obodo Nigeria. E come say the present Delta State governor when im name be Dr. Pidgin Okowa na be the correct ogbonge example to take see am how the man take live im life. Inside there, e come still waka meet the governor wife wey be Mrs. Okowa and come tell her say e don do make she no cry again sake of say papa dey for heaven now dey smile as e see say work when e do e don really do am well. E come say na now na im the governor take need the wife support well and so make Mrs. Okowa not just hide her support for the husband at all, say na that support na im go dey give am mind to take continue with the work wey e dey do for the state despite say im papa don waka go their kingdom come. E come say cause he tell the wife say make him support am o, so that the gap when e be say their papa don leave so e no go open, sake of say the governor go fit wear that big shoe when im papa don pull for ground now. Inside there, people follow the governor go for the sorry-out waka, and the people when e follow am go for this sorry-out waka so come be the deputy governor of Edo State when be Comrade Philip Shuaibu, the SSG when be secretary to the state governor of Edo State Barrister Osaudio Ogie, the PDP state chairman Dr. Tony Azigbemi, the PDP South zonal chairman when his name be Chief Dan Osi Obi, one PDP big oga when his name be Chief Osaro Ida, and some other big PDP ogas dem still follow for the sorry-out waka. For im own part, the Delta State governor wey be Dr. Pidgin Okowa come thank the governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, and the people when e follow and do the sorry-out waka come give am. E come say as im see them, e come say yes, e no dey alone for the pain when e just dey happen now when e dey go through. Say im come feel am say people dey when be say e join am dey pass through the pain. E come say belle full am well sake of say when you see people when e stand with you as you dey waka pass some kind difficult period, your mind go still dey come down. Say with the faces when e see so and the ones wey e don dey see since the news shele say im papa don go their kingdom come, say im belle dey sweet am say yes, im papa na good man and him too im get many people when e be say they dey stand for am. Inside there, the governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, come still go sign the Soriat register when e be say dey open for the Delta State Government House for Asaba. Inside there, he come still use the opportunity to beg the people of Delta State, say make dem support the governor of their governor wey be Ifeanyi Okowa, sake of say the man dey really do well for the state. Remember say for time wey never took pass, so we first break the news say the governor of Delta State lose im papa, and the governor of Delta State papa, im name na be Arthur Okowa, and im go their kingdom come at the age of 88 years. Before im go their kingdom come, im na community leader and im na great farmer too. Country people, that na be our news for the moment. We thank una for the time wey una take watch us. We wan beg una, abeg make una follow us and support us for all our social media handles. All na DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una do well.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.